Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI and I'm here to share with you my daughter's snowshoes. These came in handy for the winter weather we were in. It was a little snowy, but it was really slushy when we used these. And it was also cold, and these were awesome protection. So they have this nice lining on the outside that repels any kind of water, and same with this. So it kept my daughter's feet really dry. And on the inside, it has a little bit of warming stuffing. I don't know how you want to call it, but it kept my kids' feet warm. And I like that you can unzipper this, and it's very easy to put on, and it's very easy to pull this and tighten your shoe. I'm going to show you a little bit more of the shoe. So these shoes fit my daughter pretty good. I would say they do run a slight bit big, but she had lots of room extra in them and they weren't slipping off. She loved walking around in the cute pattern that they have, and they have lots of other patterns, and they were great because she didn't slip or hurt herself once, which is a big deal if you have kids because you don't want to ruin the rest of the day by one slip. She walked around in these for a long time and they were comfortable and she loved them. They were pretty easy to spot clean also. I just add a little soap and water and I wash them up really good, and we were really happy with these shoes. I highly recommend these shoes, but that's just my point of view.